Невидимый герой комфорта, который стоит на страже порядка, конечно же, это стюард.
He manages the galley, prepares meals for the crew and passenger, and ensures that food is stored safely. The steward cleans cabins, mess rooms, and common areas. He changes bedding, disinfects surfaces, and keeps everything clean and organized. He also monitors inventory, food supplies, cleaning products, and utensils. In emergencies, the steward assists with passenger care and helps maintain morale. Steward, galley, mess room, to prepare meals, to clean cabins, to change bedding, to disinfect surfaces, crew support, to monitor supplies, to assist passengers, morale.
А если вы хотите, чтобы у вас тоже было все в порядке, пишите FC Captain.